All right, so we have a 1955 analysis of paint samples from an Italian painting found evidence of cobalt, suggesting the use of cobalt blue, a pigment not used in Europe before 1804. Okay, so the analysis of paint samples from this Italian painting found that there was cobalt used, but this pigment was not used in Europe before 1804. The painting was thus deemed to have been produced sometime after 1804. Well, I'm like, well, how do we know that they didn't create the paint? Or I guess it says from an Italian painting. Well, maybe the Italian painting was created somewhere not in Europe.
Yeah.
A 2009 analysis also found cobalt, but that analysis suggested that the painting might have been produced before 1804. Ooh. So our problem here is that
When was it produced?
yeah, it was before 1804 or after. So either okay. Which of the following is true? Most helps to resolve the apparent discrepancy in the information above. So we're looking for the answer choice that if we add it to our stimulus, allows both of these things to be true at the same time, which that one,
I don't know how it could be true.
right, I'm like, this one's kind of, well, it could be if it was produced somewhere not in Europe.
Yeah, that's true. Just the thing with this with me was like it's so much like
Maybe that the first one like was 1955 and like that the technology then wasn't as accurate or something. I don't know.
yeah, and but like when you go to the answer choices, like some of them are just like I don't want to say dumb, but like some of them are just like
What
not
list did you
useful.
pick?
I picked D.
Okay, let me read them. The 2009 analysis revealed that cobalt was located only in the topmost paint layer, which was possibly applied to conceal damage to original. Oh, I like that one. B, the 2009 analysis used sophisticated scientific equipment that can detect much smaller amounts of cobalt than that. Well, that's irrelevant. Not B. C, the 2009 analysis took more samples from the painting than the 1955 analysis did, though the samples were smaller. Like, no, irrelevant, because that doesn't explain why they're there. D, many experts, based on the style and the subject matter of the painting, have dated the painting to the 1700s. That, no. So we're going earlier?
Well, for that one, I thought it was solving why it was produced before 1804.
Right. Well, it's okay that it's produced before 1804, but we need cobalt to exist before 1804.
Oh, I thought we were talking about the painting.
Well, right, but they're saying that the painting uses this cobalt. Hold on.
Right. And then
New information that came to light in the 1990s suggested that cobalt blue was used only rarely in Italy in the years immediately irrelevant. The answer choice, I think, is definitely A, because I think what happened was they probably used this paint that had cobalt in it to fix it, and that's why there were little traces of it, even though it was back in the time.
right. Okay.